Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the BISSELL Cleanview Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner in green. This powerhouse has 37,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's got powerful pet hair pickup with triple action brush roll and scatter-free technology. The swivel steering makes it easier to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. You can clean edges and corners with edge-to-edge cleaning, and the cleaning path width is 13.5 inches. You can also remove pet hair with the specialized pet tools, including a pet hair corner tool and a pet tool. The bottom easy empty dirt bin makes emptying quick and mess-free, and has a hose length of 6 feet. BISSELL also has other models of pet-oriented vacuums that are well received as well, so check those out on the listing. Now let's check out a quick Q&A from the listing. How does this do with American Akita hair, which is very thick and fluffy and in large quantities? And the answer: we have 2 cats and 2 German Shepherds. The Shepherds have double coats and shed year-round. This vacuum does great with picking up pet hair. Nice. And now let's check out a review by my cat. What do you think of this vacuum cleaner? Yeah? Is it good? Alright then, there you have it. And don't forget, when you buy BISSELL, you save pets. They donate up to $10 to the BISSELL Pet Foundation for every pet product you purchase upon activation. So pick yours up on Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. You and your pets are going to love it.